Jay. This is Ronnie here at Tameron Honda, your USAA auto buying representative. I just wanted to let you know, introduce myself to you, and also let you know a few things about the Honda Accord Sport that you inquired about online. So this is going to be that 2020 Honda Accord Sport in the beautiful San Marino red. Starting here from the front, just to show you a few things, you're going to have the full LED headlighting, the Honda sensing package. That's going to include your adaptive cruise control, your lane keep assist, and your collision mitigation braking. If you come around here, you're going to have those beautiful sport rims that you're only going to get with that Honda Accord Sport. Breakaway mirrors, keyless entry. Oh, we got a lock door. All right. If you come inside, you're going to have that leather trim seating. You're going to have the leather wrap steering wheel. Listen, Jay, there are so many wonderful features about this vehicle that I cannot wait to show you. If you will, please give me a call back at 205-470-2190. Again, my name is Ronnie here at Tameron Honda and Hoover, your USAA auto buying representative. And when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.